So I just finished listening to the Frames and Receiver, the live that was on with the Supreme Court, and I'm looking at these tools here on my workbench and just all the time, effort, and energy that I've put into stuff to see things being argued, whether it's readily convertible or not. You guys have heard me say this before, and I know a lot of you agree with me. I consider myself a craftsman. Like, I'm taking my time putting these together, making them exactly perfect, and having a lot of fun doing it. And it's really tough to see these people argue about whether or not it's easy and how fast you can do it. I know a lot of us, you guys are like me. We're not trying to get it done as fast as possible. I'm not using a pocket knife and a screwdriver. Like, I've got my headlamp on and a magnifying glass, and I'm taking, scrutinizing every single detail and taking my time and care. And then you get the thing put together, and sometimes it still requires more fitment. It's 100% a hobby to me, and I don't really appreciate whether or not how fast you can do it should be a part of an argument before the Supreme Court.